I request Dr. W.R. Haluki, our state president, to kindly hand over the action forms to Pak Hima Shangpliang. Give a big hand of applause Pak Shangpliang Sha MP. Pak Presiden, request Pak Sngewbha to hand over the tablet. Pak Sngewbha to hand over the constitution. The National President to kindly hand over the tablet to Pak Hima Shangpliang. Yes, give big hand.
Concerns taken up by the party for the welfare of the people of the state have persuaded and convinced me to be part of the growth today, and hence I join the NPP today. Today I commit myself to serve this party with all honesty and sincerity, and to serve the people of the state to the best of my ability. Once again, I'd like to thank the National President, Sri Conrad, for giving me this honor today. I also thank Sir Preston and Sir Sngewbha for the encouragement and support that they kept giving me over the days so as to enable me to join the party here today. I also thank the State President, Dr. W.R. Haluki, for his kind consent to induct me into the party. My special thanks goes to a very special person in my life, and that is Dr. Didi Lapang. And I am very impressed with the emphasis given by the party for the development of the state. I could see that the government is focused on entrepreneurship, tourism, on agro-processing, skilling of the youths, and various livelihood sectors. It is these developments that magnifies the purpose of the party. The endeavor of the party to support the farmers of the state under the flagship programs like the Focus and so on, and the party's assurance to continue to engage with the government of India.
And I would like to take this opportunity at the very outset to welcome my friend and the former MLA of Mawphor constituency, Shri Hima Shangpliang, and all his supporters to the family of the National People's Party. Welcome to National People's Party, Hima. When we speak about the National People's Party, I think you must have all noticed that we are very particular about using the word family. We use the word party, and we always follow it by the word family. And the reason why we feel that is because we are very particular that while we are working for our state and for our people, the kind of commitment, the kind of teamwork, the kind of passion, and the kind of environment that we would like to have within the party should be like a family. When you're in a political party, there seems to be a certain sense of a different mindset, which is, I'm not saying is bad, because that's what politics is. But while we are there for politics and trying to do political activities, we would like to give it a very strong sense of commitment to what we do, a strong sense of passion in which we do it. And that is what drives us, and that is what is the strength of the National People's Party, and that's what differentiates us today. We've had 6 months of rest. Now it's time to get back to work. We must organize a party. We must activate it. We must ensure that all the blocks, wherever elections have held, reviews must be held. You must call for review all the results that took place, in which polling station, in which particular area, what happened, why it happened, what did we expect, what went according to our expectations and what did not. It's important to do a background, complete a post-mortem on the elections and have a report. And I would like to urge that we should call a meeting, call all our candidates who had contested in the last election, take a report and make sure that all our organizations are henceforth activated so that we are able to make the party grow in the future, keeping in mind so many organizational aspects, activities, issues, as well as elections that are coming in the future. I also would like to share with you that as a political party, you're all aware that we are all over the Northeast. And we have got great response from the people of the Northeast because people see us as one of the only political parties that speaks on the issues of the Northeast and the people of the Northeast, be it the tribals or any other indigenous community that is there in the Northeast part of India. And no other political party takes up issues the way we do. And hence, keeping those aspects in mind, we are having a great response in many of the Northeast states, and keeping in mind the general elections that are coming up. I can share with you that we have started doing a lot of homework in terms of how we should move forward in these elections. But I think what is important to note is that in politics, and in service to our state and service to our people, we need to continuously move forward. You cannot be comfortable thinking that where you are fine. Never let the comfort get to your head and realize that you think you are in charge and you can do anything you want. I think it's important to realize that there has to be kind of a hunger inside the organization to want to grow, to want to move forward. If we are here today, let's go 10 steps forward tomorrow and continuously make efforts. And today's event is a testimony to that kind of a mindset that we share in the party, where we are not, going to just sit down and say that, well, this is it. We would like the party to grow from strength to strength. And today I'm very happy to have by Hima, again, a person, not just because he's a person I know very well, a friend of mine, but because of the qualities that he has. We have seen him in the assembly sessions. We have seen him how he is somebody who can really express and articulate and bring out the issues and concerns of the people